In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a file in Figma. Whether you are using the browser or the desktop app, opening a .fig file is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, the easiest method is drag and drop. Open your Figma dashboard, also called the file browser, in your web browser or the desktop app. You'll see your recent files and drafts. Now, locate the .fig file on your computer. Click and hold it and drag it directly over the Figma window. When you hover over the dashboard, you should see a drop zone highlight to confirm Figma is ready to receive the file. Let go to upload. You'll see a quick progress indicator, and once it's done, the file will appear in your drafts or the space you are currently viewing. Large files may take a moment, so don't worry if you see a brief loading state. If you are collaborating, make sure you are in the right team or project before you drop it, so it lands where you expect. Second, you can import via the dashboard. In the file browser, look to the top right corner and click the Import button. Choose Import from Computer, then navigate to your Fig file and select it. Figma will upload and process the file for you. This method is great if you prefer browsing to the file rather than dragging it. After the import completes, the file will show up in your current view. If you notice any prompts about missing fonts or components, that's normal when bringing in files from other environments. You can resolve those after the file opens. Finally, you can open a local file directly. If you have the Figma desktop app installed, simply double-click any .fig file on your computer. It will launch in the desktop app and open the file right away. If it opens in your browser instead, that just means your system is set to open .fig files with the web version, which works fine too. Either way, you'll be taken straight into the canvas so you can start working. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.